If your Danby DDR050BJPWDB dehumidifier is running but not collecting any water, it can be confusing and make you think the unit isn't working. In most cases, this happens due to low humidity levels, incorrect settings, or airflow issues, rather than a serious fault. Many users expect immediate water collection, but the machine only pulls moisture when conditions are right. The good news is that with a few simple checks, you can identify the problem and get it working properly again. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot this issue step by step. Try these. Step 1. Check the room humidity level and ensure it's high enough for the unit to operate. Step 2. Set the dehumidifier to a lower humidity level or continuous mode. Step 3. Make sure the air filter and vents are clean and not blocked. Step 4. Verify the water bucket is properly inserted and aligned. Step 5. Allow the unit to run for some time and monitor if water starts collecting.